कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी, नाम तो सुना ही होगा. Millions of followers, Congress, Bhajpa account surpassed, X account deleted, government suppression, Gen Z wave, secular, socialist, democratic या lazy. आखिर है क्या ये मामला?
It's not an actual political party. It's a sarcastic platform that started trending online after the protesting youth and the dissenting citizens of this country were indirectly labeled as cockroaches and parasites by the Chief Justice of India. What started out as humor and meme have turned out to be something much bigger. A symbol of frustration and anger the young people of this country have been carrying for years now.
This is the result of the series of serious systematic failures, starting from the NEET paper leak recruitment scams to the selling of the mountains, forests and rivers to the hands of the few billionaires. The anger increases every time we see candidates deserving employment are beaten up by the police, and in place of that, convicted rapists are garlanded by the people in power.
Increasing corruption, closure of public schools, the sorry state of public healthcare system, no minimum support price, no government aid for the farmers of this nation, working hours increasing and real wages decreasing for the working class. They say we are the fourth largest economy in the world. But are the common people benefiting from this fairy tale? When we as responsible citizens ask questions, when we raise our voice against whatever is unjust and unfair, the government of this nation tags us as anti-nationals. The judiciary refers to us as cockroaches and parasites.
The SFI acknowledges the massive discontent in the youth of this country. The SFI firmly stands in favor of the human rights. The right to quality education, employment and healthcare for every citizen. The basic right for democratic space for everyone in this country. As Rabindranath Tagore significantly envisioned, we are a shore with an ocean of humanity. People from various backgrounds, creed and races merge and converge into a single harmonious society.
The SFI fights tooth and nail all the divisive, autocratic looter forces that robs their citizens of their basic rights. Even if they run the government, the SFI doesn't back off. We are encouraged that the Gen Z of this nation are raising the questions that we have been raising to the government of this nation for so long now in millions. SFI is indeed a platform for such lazy cockroaches. We stand in solidarity with the students and youths of this country. We resolve to be more active on streets as well as on social media to ensure our right to be lazy. After all, we all remember what Jonathan Crary said. Sleep is the uncompromising interruption of the theft of time from us by capitalism, isn't it? Cockroaches of the world, unite, for you have nothing to lose but the wrath of Gothamedi. We'll have to wait and watch where the CJP goes. But one thing can be said for sure. Our systems need to change, and change for better. The Gen Z must rant professionally in catalyzing them. Let's wait and watch.
And if a bunch of thugs tries to launch an attack on our integrity, question our patriotic intent, we would remind them politely that attacks aren't new. इतिहास गवाह है कि डायनासोर्स चले गए लेकिन कॉकरोचेस रह गए.